Hello all. In this video, we are going to learn about Zigbee communication protocol in sensors and actuation. So here is an introduction about the Zigbee communication protocol. It provides a framework or medium to range communication in IoT connectivity. It defines PHY, which is the physical medium to send the data from the sender to the receiver, media access control layer to enable the interoperability between the multiple devices at a low data rate. It operates at three frequencies. So the first frequency is 868 megahertz, which is the one channel using data transmission up to 20 kbps. So the next one is the frequency range of 902 to 928 megahertz. There we will be having 10 channels. So it's costly and it is more efficient. So where we will be using 10 channels to transmit the data from the sender to the receiver, and the data speed is also more, 40 kbps. So the next one is 16 channels with a frequency of 2.4 gigahertz. When the frequency is more, the data transmission will also be more. And the data rate is also high, which is nothing but 250 kbps. So these are the features of Zigbee. Low frequency band uses binary phase shift keying. The encoding method which is used in Zigbee protocol is binary phase shift keying. For 2.4 GHz band, OQPSK is used. So we have different types of phase shift keying method for different types of frequency ranges. For 2.4 GHz, OQPSK is being used. The data transfer takes place in 128 bytes packet size. So we know that data will be transmitted in the form of packets, and the maximum allowed payload is 104 bytes. The nature of transmission is line of sight. Standard range of transmission is up to 70 meters. So for a distance of 70 meters, the data can be transmitted. Features of Zigbee: relaying of packets, allow transmission over greater distances, provides low power consumption and better efficiency due to adaptable duty cycle, low data rate, low coverage radio. So the data rate will be usually in the range of 20 to 250 kbps. So the networking topologies are the hybrid topology, star topology, peer-to-peer topology will be used, cluster tree topology will be used. So in Zigbee type of transmission. Features of Zigbee are: the Zigbee protocol defines three types of nodes. First one is the coordinate, the routers, and the end devices. The end devices do not contribute in routing. The routers are connected to the coordinators or other routers. They usually have 0 or more children nodes, contribute in multi-hop routing. Coordinators means initializing, maintaining, and controlling the network. There is one and only one per network. Star topology means it has no router, only one coordinate will be there, and 0 or more end devices will be there. In mesh and tree topologies, one coordinate will be there, many routers will be there, and end devices will also be there. Usually, if Zigbee is using a topology, then how many routers are there, how many coordinates are there, how many end devices are there. So that is discussed in this slide. So the next one is features of Zigbee. Each cluster in a cluster tree network involves a coordinator through several leaf nodes. Coordinators are linked to pair coordinator that initiates the entire network. Zigbee standard comes in two variants. One is Zigbee and Zigbee Pro. So two versions. So in IEEE 802.15.4 we had versions like 4, 4, 4.8, 4 4A, 4C was there, 4D was there. Likewise, we have Zigbee Pro and Zigbee Q. I hope you would have learned from this video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye from Radhika.